Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the Real Money series. We're going to be looking at some what the charts and oh man, what oh God, this is hurting my head. What's going on here? I'm not really sure. So, anyways, we're going to look at some chart. Oh, here we go again. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not stopping. Not stopping. Come on, keep up. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Not stopping. Nope, we're not stopping. Just keep going. I could do this all day. That's right. Come on. What you got? What you got, kitty? Let's go. Come on. Look. Look that way. And that way. And that way. And that way. Okay, here we go. Let's go look at some charts. Yep. Chart time. Here we go. Wow. Welcome to Eva Trades, everybody. What can I say? Good morning. It is Friday morning. We're going to trade right here live in the market, real time, real money, real results. And let's take a look first at the overall progress, which is not very good, mind you. 2 days green, 1 day red. So giving back most of it on yesterday's adventure, if you want to call it that. I added rule number 5 yesterday, so we'll take a look at the game book rules here. My daily max loss is $40. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $20, I can choose to keep trading. If I hit my daily goal, then give back half. I am done. And the rule I added after yesterday's loss was that I can't take more. I don't know why I want to say can. I cannot take more positions than my max loss would allow. So if I'm down $20, I can't take 3 positions. I can't take 4. I can't take 5. I can only take 2, because any more than that, and I'm risking more than $40. Those are the rules, and these are the charts. So I've been watching 3 stocks this morning. One more check of the scan. Yep, looks like 3 stocks is all we have. Kind of slim pickings. Looks like the market is sideways, kind of in the lower end of the range this morning. So ZVSA, we have 5 minutes to go till the market opens here. By the way, no, we don't. We have 3 minutes to go. Let's break these down real quick. Larger time frame: high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, kind of right in here, higher low. It's a little choppy. I'd say it's favoring the bulls, but I don't know what time will tell. Right now, anything above, I want to say 398 is a higher low, and bulls would like to hold 398. Right now, we're finding a base of support down here at 415. And so we've just been consolidating sideways, looking for the breakout on the larger time frame. SHPH. Nice move up, consolidating right now. Looking at the 1 minute, anything above 243 is a higher low. If you want to call that a higher low, it's a small higher low. Little base of support. You have the VWAP down here also. Volume's not too bad. JSPR, it's lacking volume. It's trading below the VWAP. It's been consolidating for the last hour. So maybe we see a little bounce on it here. There's the larger time frame inside bar on the hourly, the 15 minute with a lower high and a lower low, basically. So yeah, need to see a trend change on JSPR to start on the 5 minute, well, even on the 1 minute. But first thing, we need volume to come in. Second thing, we need a trend change back to the bulls. So that's about it. So we're just looking for consolidation, possibly on SHPH. Oh, one more thing here on this one is we do have this post-market high back there from yesterday. So we're approaching that. So maybe a little consolidation before we break through that. And looking for that break on the larger time frame here on ZVSA. Bulls tried to break here, couldn't get through. So let's see what we get as the market is now open. So welcome to Eva Trades, by the way. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And trade smart this morning. Trade S smart. Let's see, I'm going to look at my candle ranges, make sure I'm all good there. Okay. So the market starting out green right away, but I'm just expecting a bounce this morning. I want to see ZVSA get over the top of these levels. I do have a little bit of volume here on JSPR. And I'm taking my profit on JSPR right there. We're so far below the VWAP. I'm expecting some small bounce here, but I'm not going to hold that one. I'm probably not going to jump back in it either. So breaking out there above that 267 level, if you look at the larger time frame, you can see where we drew that line. And there we go again. So I'm in it now for the move up. Got a new 1 minute candle coming up. See if we get a pullback on it. Nope. It's just going to go, so I'm going to sell it. Now see if we get a pullback. I'm watching ZVSA over here, but I don't know if I should. Selling for a small profit on ZVSA. So just taking quick wins this morning. Of course, we are looking for that overall breakout on ZVSA. So I'm going to jump back in it and look for that. I'll go ahead and I'm going to sell it again right there and buy a pullback like that. Wasn't the best entry. See if we get that breakthrough 430. There it is. Showing some strength here. Oops, I might take a loss on that. Okay. So the market overall is trying to put in more of a bounce, forming a higher low on the 1 minute time frame. I see JSPR trying to go here, so we're coming up to a resistance right there. Back testing off of the VWAP. The VWAP is that white dotted line. And I'm out there. Getting some weird fills on my orders. I don't like that one. I'm going to get back out of it. I'll just take the loss on it. That's fine. So giving back. Getting caught up in some chop. Wanted to buy SHPH off of this VWAP. And it turns out it might be a nice bounce because bull's looking for a higher low and a higher high. And I'll go ahead. I'm looking for that higher high myself. So I'm looking for a break through 287. Risking 20 bucks now. I'm in twice, and once here and once here. Yeah, not working for me on SHPH. Now I'm going to get out of JSPR too. Got out before it dropped there. So sit back and wait. I'm down $11 now on the day. So I went from green to red. So I'm going to wait for a little bit, kind of see if things turn around. High of day so far on JSPR is at $2.30. High red volume candle bar here. So if we get over 230, that would be strong to me. Still looking like it wants to bounce off the VWAP here, but I'm still going to wait. It's a nice look. I'm gonna go ahead and get in that right there. No, let me get back out of it. So things just aren't working for me here. I'm down 24. My max loss is 40. But I don't know if I want to go that low. We have an equilibrium on SPY. You can see on the 1 minute time frame over here. Look at that volume. Wow, look at that, how smooth that is going down. Usually at an equilibrium, you'll see volume that tapers like that, but usually not that smooth of a taper. You got a high, low, lower, high, higher, low. You got a triple bottom here. It looks like the bears are starting to win. So I'm back in on JSPR, looking for that break. Let's see, how strong is it? I don't know. It's not strong. It's not giving me that move I wanted right away. But I'm going to hold it. We'll find out. The market's trying to bounce a little bit. That might help me out here, but if this drops any lower, I'm going to get hit on my stop losses there. Looking to break through that pre-market high of $2.33. And boy, it's just struggling to do it. Could sell half there, but I think I'm going to hold it. See if my limit orders can get hit. I'll sell one there. Oops, my limit order just disappeared on me. I'll just go ahead and flatten the rest there. So there we go. That was nice. I'm at $8.50 on the day. And if you didn't know, I'm trading small share size. Because so on SPY, if you look over here on SPY, we had a bear break on that equilibrium, but then the bulls bought the dip, and now we're making a move back up towards the high. Double top up at 394.37. I am in a trade over here on ZVSA. Got this equilibrium. This could be a bear flag. I'm aware of that. That's why if I get any kind of move at all here, I'm going to be quick to take the profit on it. JSPR looking like it wants to go higher. Got that big red volume bar, doji candle. See ZVSA here finding support down here, bouncing, going sideways, finding support again. Maybe I was a little premature getting in on this. I thought maybe we might see a move above this level, but the way this candle's pulling back, there is $4 there, but yeah, I didn't like that. Let's see what happens. I've already had a $10 stop out on this stock once, so looks like it might happen again. Inside bar on the 5-minute. Looking for something more on JSPR. Little miniature higher low on that 1-minute time frame. Whoops. I'll just go ahead and take the profit on that. Watching ZVSA here. Volume's pretty light. We are holding up on JSPR. Bulls want to get over 240. Oh. I'm buying it again. When I sold it, it had already dropped down. I tried to sell it there at the highs. Too many people selling at once and pushed the price down pretty quick. See if we can get back above 240 and I'll sell it there. I'm going to go ahead and flatten my position over here. Although I probably should have held it. I'm up 1787 on the day, so I'm almost at my daily goal. The market still just going sideways. Oh, and there's that drop. So I'm glad I got out of ZVSA and I didn't hold it for more. That's the problem with trading below the VWAP. You get stuff like that happening. And this is also why I'm thinking about maybe being done for the day, but let's see if I get another opportunity on JSPR. We are pretty extended now. I'm going to be looking for us to top out up here somewhere and pull back. There's a new 5-minute candle. Making a pretty nice run at 254 though. Volume looks good. We got that one high red volume candle here, but it was kind of a doji candle, so there's a lot of bull volume there too. Bears just slightly won over. It's not like it's a big red candle with a lot of volume. Now I could buy the dip off of 240. And look to try to make... I don't think I like that. Nope. That's the dip I wanted to buy right there. And even that, I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Let's see if we get a nice bounce here. Nah, I'm going to get out. I don't like it. So taking a pretty good loss there. Still up on the day, but just too much chop. It seems like ZVSA is getting ready to maybe turn around here. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll try JSPR again. Not making any progress on SHPH there. So I got out of JSPR. So what am I sitting at? I'm up 1389. So I'm just kind of like up and down all day here. I hit a high of 1789 at one point. My daily goal is 20. But I was just looking, we pulled back enough here on the 1 minute time frame that all I was looking for is a lower high. At the very least, an equilibrium, but at the most, maybe we see a lower high and a lower low. Looks like ZVSA maybe going to drop. Yep, there it goes. We've got a support on the larger time frame, 15 minute down here, 363 for a possible bounce potential. If anybody's in the chat trying to chat with me, I apologize. I do not have the chat open, so if you are trying to chat, I just can't see you. I'm not ignoring you. I just can't see you. I'm thinking about an entry here, possibly, but I don't know yet. We'll see. This is that possible equilibrium. This is more like bear flag territory here, because we didn't bounce very far. What I would be interested in is if this candle had gone back up, had a bear break and then a bull break, I would have been into that. Well, the market bounced and now is getting a higher low and a higher high here. I hope I was over here on these charts when I was trading these past several minutes. Nice little bull flag here. Let's see if it can hold up. I'm going to move my stop loss up pretty tight. Yeah, I don't like it. That candle should have gone. I almost bought that, and then I bought it late, so we'll see if I pay the price for that. I'm back out over here on SHPH taking the loss. SPY is making its move. So I would hope with the market going up that it would help out with these stocks. And here's that bounce potential we talked about off 363. JSPR with a nice bounce there. Can we break 238? And we did. Can we hold it? I'm really looking for a move back up to the high of 246. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it right there. So now I'm getting in over there on SHPH. I'm going to sell that. Buy the dip on, oh, what happened there? Oh, you know what? I'm out. And the reason why, I'm at my daily goal. I'm actually above my daily goal, but you know, I can keep trading. I could buy that. And sell it again. So I'm sitting at $30. So I could lose $10. I could take a loss and still be at my daily goal. I'm wondering if this is just going to make a move up through the high. Market is still bouncing. We put in a higher low and higher high now here on the 1 minute trend, the 1 minute time frame. But I'm still expecting JSPR. Well, this is that consolidation I wanted to see below this resistance. So SHPH, I'm looking for an equilibrium. We got the high of the move, the low of the pullback. I'm looking for us to top out up here somewhere and pull back. This move was too much of a pullback to just shoot straight through the highs, in my opinion. So I would look for, I'd like to see the bulls move up a little more and then pull back and consolidate below 287 and then finally break through. That was a nice bounce off of 363 there on ZVSA. That was off of that 15 minute that I marked out. So not bad. Could have captured about 10 cents in profit on that one. So here we go on JSPR. I guess I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens. I'm going to get back out. It's really jumping around there. I'm not a big fan of that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I'll give it another shot. Let's see if it breaks 246. There we go. And I'm selling right there. That was nice. So now I'm up 37.48. So I'm almost twice my daily goal. I'm actually going to get back in it again. Rejecting off at 250. We got a new 1 minute candle coming up. That's making me a little bit nervous. I'm going to exit right there. Break even. Look for that candle to pull back and then jump in it. May pull back even more, but see if we can break 250. There's the break of 250. So I'm selling there. Oh, I should have held it. That was a nice short squeeze. Okay, getting back in. Selling up there. This one might get halted. Very possible. I'm definitely up twice the daily goal now. Oops, getting stopped out. So I didn't like that. My stop loss is too tight. I need to widen it out if I want to continue to trade. Let's see here. So that was a nice break over the pre-market high of 254. So now we have a new high of day at 262. We have this area and this area to look at as far as pullbacks go. Anything above way down here is a higher low. So we have plenty of room to work with on a pullback. Pulled back. A lot of volume. So now we have an inside bar, inside bar. There's a bull break. And is it going to fail? We have an hourly candle that's going to close in a minute and a half. That means the 15, 5 minute, they're all going to close in a minute and a half. Okay. Making back what I lost. I'm looking for it to drop here. Like that. I'm just going to take that profit when I can get it. So there's that equilibrium on SHPH I was talking about. We did top out up here, so we didn't get a big enough move that I wanted. Topped out here. Now the pullback, is favoring the bears. Bears will probably want to see Well, bulls want to hold 231, but it's certainly possible here. We had a bear flag right here that followed through. Could get another little bounce before we break that support, but buy off of that level right there. I'm just going to sell it. Just a quick profit. I don't even think I made much on that. Made $1, but could have probably held it. High of day of 275. That was a back test of that previous high of day, 262, that I jumped in on. I had every reason to hold that. I shouldn't have sold it. So, but it's too late to jump in now. I mean, really, it's not. I could still jump in this. I guess I will. I mean, there's no reason why I shouldn't. It's a new 5-minute candle, though, so I do want to be cautious here. Go ahead and take that profit right there. That's why I wanted to be cautious. You see that little drop? It's a new 5-minute candle. I would expect this 5-minute candle to pull back a little more. So, but that was a nice win. I'm up 2.5 times the daily goal. So this live stream has been going on now for, what time is it? A half an hour. This is longer than I would normally trade, but I wanted to take advantage of the momentum here while we have it. JSPR, it wasn't even the leading gapper. The leading gapper this morning was ZVSA. I think it was anyways. So anyways, it's late and I need to be done. So I am up $50.06 on the day. And that's probably where I'm going to stop. Today's date is the 13th. Friday the 13th. How do you like that? I'm going to have to watch an old horror movie. Get the horror flicks going. Little, what do I, you want to watch Friday the 13th? Yeah. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, I wanted to, how much did I make? 50.06. Let's see where this puts me on the account. Look at that. I completely wiped out yesterday's red day. That is freaking awesome. I was not expecting to see that happen. So I'm up at an all-time high on the account. I'm up 57 whole dollars, $57. Yeah, I'm going to quit my day job. All right. No, this is small share size. This is just to get used to things. The share size is going to increase. The profits are going to increase. I'm looking forward to that. But if you've been watching my risk management series, I've been making these rules and using the risk management simulation series to get used to following the rules and adding new rules. And I want to say this again, if you have any rules that you use in your trading, I would appreciate it if you would post them in a comment below for everybody else to see if you would like to share them. Otherwise, I hope you'll get some use out of the rules that I've posted. And I hope you've gotten some use out of this video. So thanks for watching. This is exciting. I hope your trading goes well. There's this pullback to 254 right here. That was the level from pre-market that we broke through. So there's a possible bounce potential there. Just be careful. Book some of the profit if you're going to get in there. But I'd be looking more at maybe 246, 250 into that area if I was going to try to play a bounce. Maybe. I'm not sure. This is not advice. This is just me personally what I would do. And as you've seen, I'm wrong probably as much as I'm right. There was a nice bounce there. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Bye.